This tutorial is about frequency source as keypad. Let's press mode and jump to DRV number 7. Here, as you can see, it's already keypad. I will keep it the same and I will press escape to come out to the main screen. Next, I will press enter to set the desired frequency. I will put 30 Hz or let's say 35 Hz. I press enter again. Next, I will use selector switch for forward operation. And you can see at the background the motor is slowly ramping to 35 Hz. I will change the frequency during running. I will put it 30 and you can see during operation it can take effect, and I will make it stop. So this was the tutorial about frequency source as keypad. If you like, you can put frequencies extreme. You can